Hi guys, now I'm doing my homework lesson 15th, linking sounds. When we write, there are space between all the words, but we, when we speak, we link a lot of the sounds together. Okay, now, rules 1, consonants and vowels. This poem, English, speak it, write it, read it. You know you really need it. Don't forget. First you close it, then you lock it, and put the key back in your pocket. Busies, walk a day, run away, post and me, can't agree, fill a cup, drink a cup, wait a while, walk a mile, meet a date, don't be late. For example, travel on and travel on. Look up and look up. Make up and make up. Okay, next. Rule 2. Vowels and vowels. If our lips are round at the end of the first word, we insert word sound. For example, go inside and go inside. Going and going. USA and USA. If our lips are white at the ends of the first word, we insert a j sound. For example, I am, I jam, high and low, high and low. She is and she is. The and the end. The attention and the attention. Okay, next. Rule 3, consonant and consonant. Often, when a plosive sound d, b, g, t, p, and k follows another method with the same mouth position in fast speech, we don't pronounce the first sound. Can you hear the difference between the two phases in each pair? Number 1, odor and odor. Her bread and her bread. Big glow and big glow. Right tie and right tie. Top layer and top layer. Black cap and black cap. For example, stop pushing, keep paying. She hit 2 balls. Sit tight, back cat, and lock key. Next, rule 4. Did you and didcha. Would you and woulda. Didn't you and didn't-cha. Don't you and don't-cha. In corrected speech, we sounds d and t are sometimes blended with the j to make a different sound. Number 1, this phase with the sound j. Didcha, for example, Didcha call about the job. What didcha find out? Who didcha go with to the National Library? Ucha, for example, Ucha arrange travel. I Ucha like some orange juice. Number 2, this fade with the sound ch. Didn't-cha, for example, why didn't-cha tell me? Didn't-cha major in management? You lied to me, didn't-cha? Don't-cha. For example, don't-cha speak Japanese? Don't-cha like your neighbor? In Relaxed speech, the sounds and z are sometimes blended with j to make a different sound. For example, what's your and what's your name? Who's your and who's your mother? Finally, in the linking sound in the song Europe Sky by Alexander Rybak. Okay, now let's go. Now I'm home, but I cannot stay. I dream of you every day. Got to know every inch of you. Will you make my dream come true? There's no place like home, they say. You're my home, so hear me pray. I don't know you, but I need more time. Promise me you'll buy mine. Birds are flying over Europe's skies. Tell me, please, why can't I? Times are chances, but so have I. I view my life through your eyes. On the growing my tourist shoe. But I'll stay truthful to you. 'Cause there's no place like home, they say. You're my home, so why? Guess I'll stay. I don't know you, but I need more time. Promise me you'll buy mine. Birds are flying over Europe's skies. Tell me, please, why can't I? I don't know you, but I need more time. Promise me you'll buy mine. Birds are flying over Europe's skies. Tell me, please, why can't I? Thanks for watching. Bye bye.